Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, did you ever wonder why some people eat 4 meals a day but they still look thin, while some people eat less than 2 meals a day but they look fat? Some people are so active while some people look very dull. Some people can digest anything, even stones, just kidding, while some people eat simple vegetarian food but they still have digestion issues. The reason for this is the imbalance of energies or doshas in our body. According to Ayurveda, every human being must have a balance of 3 energies or doshas. They are Vata dosha, energy of air and space, and is associated with movement and activeness. Pitta dosha, energy of fire and water, and is associated with metabolism and digestion. Kapha dosha, energy of earth and water, and is associated to body structure and muscles. Ideally, these 3 energies should be always balanced. However, due to stress, lifestyle changes, eating habits, genetics, and so many other factors, there occurs imbalance in these energies. Mainly when Kapha dosha, which is responsible for body structure, is imbalanced, you get lot of unnecessary problems like increased weight gain, loss of energy, decreased metabolism, constipation, water accumulation in the body, and so on. To fix this, there are many ways, but there is one simple short way to balance all these 3 energies or doshas. That is Triphala powder or Triphala churna. Triphala is a herbal preparation which contains 3 ingredients. They are amlaki, Indian gooseberry. This can balance Pitta dosha. Number 2, bhivitaki. The scientific name for this is Terminalia bellerica. This balances Kapha dosha. Number 3, haritaki. The scientific name for this is Terminalia shebula. This balances Vata dosha. These 3 fruits, amlaki, bibitaki, and haritaki, are called the super fruits of India. When these 3 are mixed together, they form Triphala powder, which is a divine mix and can be used to treat several health and beauty conditions. Let's see how to consume this for weight loss. In an empty glass or steel bowl, take half teaspoon of this powder. Now we need ghee, which is also called as clarified butter. Ghee helps in removing bad cholesterol and increases metabolism. It also helps to control any gastric issues. Add half teaspoon of ghee into this. Mix it very well to form a nice jam. You need to take half teaspoon of this preparation twice a day, once in the morning on empty stomach and the other time 1 hour before dinner. If you are using Triphala for the first time, you can take only once a day. If you don't like the taste of it, just gulp it down quickly. We can take Triphala in a different way. Mix half teaspoon of Triphala powder in cold or lukewarm water and add a small cinnamon stick around 1 inch of size to this. Leave it like that for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. After 4 hours, you see that the powder settled at the bottom. You can straight away drink or you can strain the contents. I am straining the contents for now. Add half teaspoon of honey optionally and drink. You can drink it between meals or on an empty stomach. According to a study, consuming Triphala regularly can contribute to weight loss, increased metabolism, clears water accumulation in the body, and relieves from constipation, and prevents and treats diabetes. Enjoy Triphala in these 2 ways to get maximum benefits. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.